Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we're going to get into some makeup. Whoop, whoop. So we're doing a look for work. So, not a whole lot of fancy, just a cute look to go to the workhouse, okay? So I'm going in with my Mary Kay foundation, of course. And I'm just going to buff this in really good. And it is sped up, but what you want to do is really press it into the skin. You want to press and move around and just press and press. And it's just going to really buff that into the skin and make it look more skin-like and not like you just have some stuff on your face. So now I'm going in to highlight, and I'm going to use the same brush to blend out the highlight. And of course you can highlight with the lighter foundation, you can do it with a concealer, whatever you feel comfortable doing. Typically, when I'm doing my makeup for work, I'm not going for a super bright, eye-catching highlight. Usually, I go brighter when I'm going out or when I have an event or something like that. Now I'm going to set the areas that I just highlighted. Using a lighter powder, of course. Then on the areas where I applied the foundation, I'm just going to set that as well with a darker color powder. So I like to highlight and contour using liquid and powder. So here I'm just adding a little blush, some contour, and some highlighting powder just to make everything pop and blend in. But it's not, a lot. It's not the, glam like I'm going to a party or some kind of look. It's just a nice, simple, classic makeup application for work. If y'all have any questions about anything, make sure y'all put that in the comments below. If it's certain thing that y'all want to see, a certain thing that you want me to talk about, please put that in the comments below. I want to make sure that I'm giving you guys some footage that you all really want to see. So onto the brows and the lips. I'm going to line my lips. I brushed my brows a little bit. Now I'm going in to fill in the brows. You outline them and then you just fill them in. Then I like to go in with brow powder to set those brows in. And then I follow up with a brow gel to lock those hairs into place. Now for the eyeshadow, y'all know the routine. We're going light under the brow bone. And this is going to give you that, freshly arched kind of look. It's going to, make your eyes look brighter, like you're awoke and alive. So we love to go under the brow bone with a white to off-white kind of tan shade. Then I like to go into that crease area with a nice brown shade and kind of blend that into the light shade. And then on the lid, you can really put anything. When I'm doing a simple, quick, going to work look, I put like a darker brown color on it and just kind of blend it into that crease color. But of course you can put, like a shimmer or something on there. You probably will just have to cut the crease so that any brighter colors can stand out. I went in with my setting spray to kind of dampen the lid so that the brown would stick better to the lid. So it's a lot of different things you can do. You can, use some concealer, you can use the setting spray and then go back in. Hey, do you. After I have it packed on there, I like to go in and just make sure that everything is blended nicely. Now I'm going in with this Sparkle Berry lip gloss, which is one of my favorite Mary Kay lip glosses right now. So I am in love with that. And I'm using this Mary Kay mascara here. This is the Ultimate Mascara. It gets a lot of mascara on there and really coats the lashes. So if you want like a full lash look, then this would be great for you. And of course, we can't forget those bottom lashes. And we're going to add some of the Itz Sirap lashes as well, just to, be a little extra. I'm using my favorite lash tweezers to apply these. Now with the wig on, we are ready to go. So I hope y'all enjoyed this look, this kind of simple get ready for work look. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. It's a wrap.